Hi everyone, video today is going to be about gold. It is a question that comes up a lot. A lot of people are asking what is going on with gold. I mean, we had a move well above the 2000 level, and if we look over here now, I have a chart up here. That was about like 2067, give or take. Okay, that's this level right here. And since that time, now that was right around that Ukraine announcement. Okay, everybody was all scared. Russia's attacking, all that. You know, it just flew up there. Okay, 2068 on this chart. And after that, we just got that pretty aggressive sell. So a lot of people are saying, well, what's going on? You know, the war in Ukraine is progressing. It hasn't let up. It's continuing. So why the move lower? Well, a lot of it has to do with the dollar, okay? We focus on the dollar. We look at the dollar because the dollar, for example, gold is denominated against the dollar. So you have gold. So in this instance, this is called a CFD, so XAU-USD. So XAU is gold against the USD. So gold in itself has been weak, yes, especially against the USD. Now, this will change if, of course, we have a pullback in the US dollar, then gold will move up. So even though, yes, gold is not very weak, what is it? It's really a dollar issue. Okay, you have the dollar that's very strong. So as a result, we just keep seeing some selling in the US dollar. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. Okay, in fact, let me just move myself a little over here so that you are able to see me a little bit better. I think my video here is blocking that side. Okay, so keep the video over there and we'll just, look at this chart. So this is the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, we have here a situation where we are just moving lower. Okay, we had the moving average crossover and we are just moving lower. We have not seen a breather here. You get to the 4 hour chart, of course, same thing. We did have a relief rally over here. We were looking bullish. Okay, we had a nice cross here, good signal, and bomb. Okay, moving up to the daily, very weak. And then that weekly chart. What's happened with the weekly chart over here on gold? Well, for those of you who follow the moving averages, okay, we broke through here, closed above that, all right, last Friday, and here we opened on Monday. Many probably thought that we were going to see a move higher because we did touch that area. We saw a move lower. So the question now is, what is FOMC going to do? Is FOMC going to bring us down to this trend line? Where at that point, I believe we're going to see a pretty strong rally off of this trend line. Or are we in the next day or two, because we have that 2-day meeting that starts tomorrow, are we going to start to see buying come in and a relief rally and a reversal? So we don't know. I mean, over here, let's look at this chart. This is the monthly. That is still a very nice trend line to just keep on your chart. So the weekly doesn't look good. The monthly doesn't look good. I mean, a lot of these charts just look disgusting. So for the bulls, that is. So where do we go from here? I have to tell you, my friends, I have some calls on GLD. Now, this would be GLD 177 calls, okay? I have those calls, and they expire 20th of May. So I'm holding some longs on GLD, which is, gold. It's an ETF. So I actually purchased them today, and that was when gold was 1855. So am I looking for a little push up? I mean, usually you'll see some volatility. next few days, you'll probably see some confusion. Maybe the bulls will hop in, bring it up, and we don't really know. But be careful out there. Again, expect volatile market moves because we have a lot of announcements coming this week. This is not the week, in my opinion, to be holding. If you're going to go ahead and do some day trading, that's up to you. But with all the announcements, make sure that you have a calendar up. Make sure that you are understanding of which announcements are coming and what they may affect. If they're going to affect the U.S. dollar, are they going to affect equities? Speaking of equities, if we really jump very quick here to equities, we talked about this in the trading room. We waited, we watched, and we got this beautiful move down to our trend line, took a long, and it's been very good. So still holding this long here off of that trend line. Probably give it a little bit more time, and maybe we'll send a signal out for just an update. Now, our service is not based on signals, my friend. It's based on education. All I do is say, okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. If someone wants to go ahead and follow, hey, it's up to you. But the education is the theme, all right? Education is more valuable than doing something for someone, than saying, hey, do this, do that. You're not really absorbing, you're not really learning. So education is the key to growing. So with that said, I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day tomorrow. I'll be doing some updates, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the room tomorrow. If you have any questions, go ahead. Put them in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back in a fast and efficient manner outside the day trading hours. Take care, everybody, and have a great one.